Good morning, guys. How's it going? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Rush here. Today we're taking the Mustang out with the boys. We're going on a canyon cruise. I'm at 920 miles today, so we're finally breaking in the car today. Braking should be done. Tomorrow we'll do a fresh oil change and then do our first real pull in the Mustang GT. I'm so excited, especially because the thing is manual and I've had so much fun with it this far. So super stoked. I hope you guys are as well. We've got a lot of stuff coming. I have a bunch of parts at home that I'm getting ready to install. We're gonna get this thing tuned. It's gonna have some exhaust work, some header work hopefully. So we got a lot of stuff coming for this bad boy. I'm super excited for it and excited to bring you guys along for the journey. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you are notified when I post. And if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at RushSRT. Be sure to check me out there. A lot of you guys ask me questions, stuff like that. Sometimes I don't get to the YouTube comments, there's just too many of them. But on Instagram, it's a lot easier to get a hold of me. So DM me, send me your information, whatever you wanna talk about, and I'd love to chat with you guys. So I woke up, I'm grabbing some gas real quick before I head over to the boys' house, and we head out on our little canyon cruise. We're also installing a part on the back end today, so excited to show you guys what that is. Here we go. Alrighty guys, so I just pulled up to 6.2 Hellcat's house, and he has a little bit of a situation here. As you can see, he broke off his front bumper doing crazy pulls on the freeway, killing me and this guy almost on the regular.
On the regular. Just give no cares.
So we're gonna try to do like a little patch job on it because it's not repairable, has to be replaced. But at least we're gonna try to kind of fix it up enough to go on the canyon cruise. So my idea is to just make a hole through the bottom piece, top piece. I think that's your idea too, right?
Yeah, and just throw some zip ties on it.
Some zip ties, and hopefully that'll hold in place. So we're gonna do that real quick. Hopefully it works. And then we're gonna pull the Mustang in here, install something on the rear end like I told you about. I'll show you what I'm doing today.
She is glossy.
She's looking decent. Still needs that ceramic coating. Hopefully we're gonna get that done fairly soon. I've been exploring options. So I've been talking to some detailer, stuff like that. I've been shown these two different ceramic coating applications here. So we have the Geon and the G-Technic. If you guys have experience with either of these, let me know how your experience has been. Has it been positive, negative? What do you think of the ceramic coating in general? Because I'd like to get the car done very soon. I do have it scheduled in for a time in the next in the next week or two. It's gonna probably get it all done. But I'm so happy I got it tinted. It looks really good. So let's get to work.
All right, let's hope this goes well.
So we don't have a drill. So the plan is we're gonna go ahead and heat up the screwdriver end enough to punch it through the broken splitter here, and then zip tie it. Go closer to the edge of it.
Yeah, well actually, I think it actually needs to be really hot, dude.
Yeah.
So, let's try this.
Almost like torching it. Do not try this at home, but by the way, guys.
We are at home.
I think change of plans.
Keep going.
Should we
Is it at all?
run to my house and get this?
Is it going through at all?
No, well barely actually.
You have a drill drum?
I do. I have a bunch of stuff. So
Let's do that then.
you want to go?
Yeah, fuck it.
Cool. Put them on at Rush's. We can Rush's wheels. We can get going. Your check engine light's on.
Yeah, it is
Therefore, it
on.
won't
Wait, is it? Why is it on?
Huh? Because
That
I
is
need to
loud.
get retuned for the cats.
Damn, that was so loud. Yeah, I don't know how you're gonna keep that like that. That's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Oh my god, I had to jump in the car to talk to you guys. That was way too loud. Way too loud. Alrighty guys, so we decided that it wasn't gonna work. Our method of trying to heat up the plastic with the screwdriver and a lighter was not gonna happen. So we're heading over to our buddy's house, and he has the drill and everything, so he's gonna do it for us. And that Hellcat was so ridiculously loud on cold start. Like, I've not heard a car that loud ever. It sounds like a race car. I don't know how this guy's gonna keep it this way, but I'm pretty sure he's gonna have to give in and put his mufflers or his resonators back in, because my neighbors hate me and my cars are not even that loud. Like, not even that loud, not even close. So I don't know, man. And he has a bunch of cops for neighbors too, which is hilarious to me, but yeah, yikes. So anyways, we're gonna knock that out real quick, install the mod that I brought with me to the car, and then we're gonna head to the canyons, cruise them, grab some pictures. So if you haven't already, make sure you check me out on Instagram at RushShift, and I'll catch you guys as soon as we get a little bit of better action going. Three on the bottom, three on the top.
3 on the bottom?
Yeah, just space them out a little bit. Space it out a little more to the left.
Like right here?
Yeah, just so that there's like enough room to grab everything. Kind of like stitches.
Yeah.
Hellcat surgery.
All right.
What do you think of the repair job?
Oh, I love it. Love the lace.
Would you look
That's
at
a
that?
whole You know, we should contact Dodge Marketing.
Dodge Marketing.
Be like, hey,
It's
look,
just weird.
add laces to the lip. That's a cool design.
I'm dead. Okay. Get your car off the driveway.
You next.
Let's get this thing up in here. Alrighty guys, so today we're installing some wheel spacers on the Mustang. The reason is because I want to space out the wheels a little bit in the back. I feel like they kind of get tucked in a little bit too much. So I want to bring them out just a little bit. So I'm at my buddy Rod's house. We're gonna go ahead and do it real quick. It shouldn't be too bad. You know, and I've seen people run these. It just kind of fills out the fender a little better. So I'm gonna jack up the car, throw the spacers on, put the wheels back on, and hopefully it looks good. And this is a very simple mod to do and very affordable. So here, I'm gonna set the camera down and get everything loose. Here we go.
You got a rush? Yeah. I got you.
Alright. Now let's grab the new spacer. Alright guys, we ran into a little bit of problem. I'm trying to tighten these down, but we don't have the proper like low profile kind of socket to go in. So hopefully that we're close. No?
Close, but I actually trying to find a bigger one.
So hopefully we can find one. If not, we gotta run to the store, switch it up. But that's my first time opening up the rear end, kind of seeing what the Mustang looks like back here. Whew. That's the first one. So hopefully it doesn't eat the fender now. Oh, that's so much nicer.
That does, it fits flush now. A little thick.
Alrighty guys, so there it is. Just set it down. I definitely like this look much better. As you can see, she's got a little bit of a poke on the tire there, but it looks really good. It gives it a definitely much meaner stance. So let's do the other side now and see how that goes. So this is the stock look right here. As you can see, if you look at it from the top, it kind of sits inside. You can't really see it. Go over the other side. If you look at it from right here, you can definitely see the tire a little bit. Just a good amount. And if you were to drop this, it definitely would tuck in a little bit and be perfect. Let's see from the front how it looks. Oh yeah. Definitely sits a lot meaner. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It definitely looks very aggressive, especially when you're looking at it from the back. It makes the Mustang look a lot wider and a lot meaner. So I got the ones for the back, ones in the front. I definitely have to order those because I thought I already did, but it looks like I didn't, so I got to make another order. So probably the space at the front is going to be a little less than the back. I want the back to be a little more aggressive, but and it definitely looks good. If you're looking at it from right here, you can see. I'm going to get you like a rear booty shot of the back. It looks good. So we're going to go ahead and hit the canyons now, test them out. Taking some tools with me just in case something goes wrong. So we're keeping the tools in there, and here we go. Alright guys, so I did the first drive with the spacers on. Feels pretty good. Can't really notice any difference at all. The look is really nice, but it just looks unproportionate to the front right now because we don't have spacers on that. So I don't think I'm going to do a whole inch on the front like I did on the back. Maybe like half an inch, something a little less aggressive on the front end. But I'm happy with the way the back comes out. It definitely makes, it fills in the wheel well a lot better. Car looks a little lower with the definitely more aggressive stance too if you look at it from the side angle. So pretty stoked on it. And I think I'm gonna rock it like this until we get some wheels. But for now, it's a nice little happy medium. And look at this, we're almost there, guys. Getting close to about 20 miles away from 1,000 miles, which is the break-in that I'm doing. And then we get to change the oil tomorrow, so super stoked. Oh, there it is. Car's about to be broken in officially. You ready for it?